Hey guys, Sarah here. Everyone's here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be opening something a little bit different on this channel, which is why I'm down here on the floor, because I have to be here with the actual recipients of this box. So I signed up for a Barkbox, which is like one of the first subscription boxes I remember ever hearing about before, after like Ipsy and all that stuff and Birchbox, but this was like one of the big ones that people were really excited about. So I decided to give it a try for my little guys and gals down here. This box, there's like different tiers of boxes. I got the $20 box, I believe, and then I did a 6-month subscription, so I saved like 10%, something like that. I think this has like twice as many toys in it or something like that for like the first month. I can't remember exactly. It's all very confusing. I did pick like the large dog box because I have 2 large dogs. One little dog who's like a big dog. She wants in her crate. You don't want to be part of this? Okay, bye. Filming with dogs is really difficult. I'm on the floor, so everyone is real interested in why I'm down here. Okay, let's just go ahead and see what's in this box. Quit licking my foot, please. Oh my god. Okay, so it has this little like card thing in here. It says I should get 2 mind-blowing toys, 2 full bags of all-natural treats, an scrumptious all-natural chew, and then there's a theme for every box. So let's see what's in here. It looks like this. It actually comes packaged really adorably, so I'm excited about that. All right, Josie, you're the first one here. Let's see what we have. So the theme this month is the dog days. So there's that. It's really cute. Okay, so it says every toy in the Dog Days Barkbox collection floats. Interesting. I live in Arizona where there's no water for things to float in, but that's great for those who have water nearby them. Okay, so let's see. Let's just see the first toy I'm pulling out. Okay, so this is a floatable outdoor toy, Jake the Baked Clam. So here it is. It's just a clam. I'm going to go ahead and rip the tag off so I can give it to whoever wants it. So here's the toy. Does it squeak? Okay, we got one. Who wants it? Who takes it? Oh, there goes Bronx. Bronx picked that one. All right, okay. Okay, Josie. Oh, Josie took this. Let me pull it up so she can have it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, what is this? Okay, so this is, oh god, I don't know what this is, but she's taking it. Okay, bye. That is the Tanatee. So Josie has that. It squeaks, which is my dog's favorite toy, so you're probably going to hear squeaking the rest of this video. I apologize. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is for Harley. This is the Walter the water balloon. Okay, there you go. It's all yours. Okay. Okay. Take it. Take it and go. Okay. All right, it's all yours. Take it. Okay, so the squeaky toy is probably the winner. Okay, so this is some sort of koozie. Okay, you want that? I know these are all kind of big, but you have a big personality. I don't think it squeaks. Oh, this is like a water bottle in there. Oh, Josie wants that too. Okay, Harley, you want some of the treats? Okay, so that's all the toys I have, I think. Okay, so the next thing I have is some treats. Harley, want to try a treat? So this is Yumma turkey. There's that. I know, you're here for the food. They can have all the toys. You want the food? Okay. So here's what it looks like. It smells just like a typical dog treat. You like that? You like that? Jose? Alright. So Bronx, he spit it out and then sniffed it, but now he's eating it, so he seems to be a fan of that. Okay. What else do we got, Jose or Harley? Okay, so the next is, what's up, peanut brother? Okay, alright. It smells really good, actually. It smells like peanut. You chew that? Jose? Okay, everyone likes the treats. Yeah, there's so much in here. I know this is like the double box, but crazy. Okay, so the next is banana Lamba Jamma. There's that. Okay, you like bananas? This is too much. You guys are too much. Okay, sit. Good girl. Okay, got that one. Who wants another treat? Anybody want to try banana? Okay, like that. Bronx? Little banana? Come over here. Come get your banana treat. Josie, no, you already had one. Bronx is very methodical. He's just not going to take any treat. These two will eat anything. He has to think about it. Okay. Okay, then the last treat we have is have a cow, dog. So this is beef. Oh, everybody, might be a winner. Everybody wants beef. Bronx, here. Beef. So all the other ones have been like sort of squares. This one's like a little stick. Okay, there you go. Okay, I think that overall the beef ones were the favorite. Okay, Josie, leave it. Okay, and then the last two things are both little chews. So I have a Gnawly Dude turkey chew and a Gnawly Dude beef chew. So I got two chews right here. These I'm not going to give to them because I just had so many treats, but I can sort of open it up so you can see what the chews look like. They're really into these treats. Okay, so here I just tore off a piece so they can each have a piece. There's Josie. Harley, you get a smaller piece because you're little. There you go. Take that and go. You gotta go chew on it. Okay, and Bronx. There you go. Okay, Josie. So did you see how she just devoured that? Everybody else is gonna chew on theirs. Josie is very, very food driven. She obviously has a weight problem. I feed her smaller amounts, but she was on medication that made her gain a lot of weight. But she has always been very, very food driven. You already choose yours too? Bronx is the only one over there being a good boy chewing his. Okay, so what do we think of this box? I think these guys really, really liked the box. Oh yes, Harley. I think the toy winner was this one that I didn't even get a chance to show you because they took it from me. Is this little guy. That was the winner. That's the one with the biggest squeaker. They all love squeaky toys. That's it. Okay. Can you guys say bye? So the rest of my day is going to entail listening to that because they will squeak that until it doesn't squeak anymore. I like that even though this was for big dogs, which I have two of, Harley got some enjoyment out of it too. She got to enjoy the snacks. She's not afraid to play with big toys. She is a little dog with a really, really big personality, so that worked out well. Oh my god. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry it was such a mess trying to film with dogs who are super, super excited to get toys and treats. Is a little difficult. Trying to make a thumbnail with them was near impossible. Harley is sitting over here staring at the box with the treats in them. She really, really enjoyed all the snacks she just got. And Josie is demolishing this shark or whatever the hell he is. Anyways, if if you want, I have a 6-month subscription of this, so I'm probably going to keep filming these every month for the next 5 months. So if you want to see more of these guys, hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Who's a good baby? Good heart. Harley's a good girl. Yes, you are. Oh my. You so thankful? Are you so thankful? You're so thankful? Says thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Okay, stop. Okay.